Hi, it's Steve again from mytoolkit.co.uk. Today we're going to show you another compressor. It's on the firm range, and this is the compressor in question. We've shown you the smaller version, which is a 6 litre compressor. What we've got here is a 24 litre. So you've got a lot more air capacity in the tank. Again, it's 230 volt, just plug it in your normal 13 amp ring main, and it comes with a 3-pin plug. Show you the compressor. The weight of it, by the way, is 23.5 kilograms. And just to show you, I can actually just pick that up. The portability has 2 wheels there and a handle, so you can just roll it against the even surface, but it's not unreal to actually be able to carry the compressor around. It's an oilless version, just like its baby brother. So from that point of view, there's no oil, there's no sump. So if you were to transport it and lay it down in the boot of a car, you've got no oil that can possibly leak from the compressor. Now I want to show you a little bit more detail. When it does come, it's packaged up. It's the only thing you've got to fit is the 2 wheels there. There's a simple just a bolt and a nut the other side. That's all you've got to do. Connect the 2 wheels, plug it in, switch it on, away you go. I'm going to turn it around because I want to show you 1 or 2 of the features on the compressor. Right, what we've got. This is your main pressure control switch. Once you've plugged it in, switched it on the mains, you pull that up and the compressor will cut in and cut out accordingly. Obviously when you first switch it on and there's no pressure in the tank, it will run for quite a while and it will cut out at the maximum pressure of 8 bar, which is 116 psi. As you use your staple gun or your nail gun, the pressure will drop down to a pressure of 6 bar, 87 psi, and at that point the compressor cuts in and goes back to the maximum pressure. Now if you ever wish to switch it off, it's just switch it off there on the pressure switch, switch it on, and it will cut in accordingly. Now there's 2 pressure gauges. One that you see here shows us the pressure in the 24 litre tank, and as I say, when that's cut out, we've run it just moments before this video, and that'll be reading approximately 8 bar, 116 psi. And then on this version we've got 2 outlets, so you can use 2 air lines and obviously simultaneously 2 brad guns or 2 staple guns, and then via this regulator we've then got the pressure coming through the outlets. Now at the moment that's regulated to a pressure of 90 psi, and as explained on other videos, when you regulate this, this works opposite to a normal tap. So if we go anti-clockwise, instead of opening like a tap would, this actually closes down the air pressure. As you can see, it reduces down there. Conversely, the other way, clockwise, will bring up that air pressure to your desired requirements. Ideally for staple guns, nail guns, about 90 psi is an ideal working pressure. So you can see it's nice and compact. It's got a degree of portability. You've got the 2 outlets enabling 2 tools to be operated at once. It's low maintenance because it is oil free. You've got no sumps or oil to check on a regular basis. The only thing I would say with them is if I just turn this round again, as with the 6 litre, we have underneath here a drain valve. In fact, if I just turn this round, you can see that drain valve there. And by just opening that, that will drain the moisture and the residue from the bottom of the tank. One piece of advice there, I would do that probably outdoors or over a drain, because what you do get rust and sediment, so you wouldn't want that spilling onto a nice floor or a carpeted surface. So there we go, 24 litre, firm, 240 volt air compressor. Ideal for use in the workshop, in the home. Thank you very much and see you again soon. Take care.